Hi guys, so today we're going to make this internet famous Dalgona coffee. So this is a very easy recipe. I hope you guys will stay until the end and watch the video. So let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. We're going to start by adding our instant coffee. So I'm only using 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of coffee. You can go as much as 2 tablespoons of coffee. And it has to be instant coffee. You cannot use brewed coffee because the instant coffee has a stabilizer that you need so that it will foam up when you mix it with the sugar. And then I also have sugar here. I'm only using um, 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can go as much as 2 tablespoons if you want it sweeter. And we have here the hot water. And so we're just going to mix this, okay? You can use a whisk and just manually whisk this, but it takes a lot of time to do that. You will need about 4 to 5 minutes. If you have time, definitely you can do that, but I want to try this as soon as possible, so I am going to use my hand mixer. So let's do that and let's mix this. So you can see that it's starting to foam up. So this is very important that you use instant coffee. You cannot use brewed coffee for this one because it will not foam up. So how do you know when it's ready? So there's 2 checks that you could do. First, of course, it needs to be like stiff peaks like this. You see how this is? Yeah. And the second is you can try to get a small portion and then try to rub it in your finger. You shouldn't be able to feel the sugar. If you can still feel the sugar, that means to say that the sugar has not dissolved it and you have to continue on mixing it. If you want to try how sweet it is, you can just taste it. Yeah, it's I think it's okay. Just stop your whisk just to get all okay. And then scrape the bowl. This is actually a lot. You can make this 2 servings if you don't want to use everything, okay? Okay, next thing is we're going to just add ice in our glass. You can have more or less. So I like mine with lots of ice because I don't like too strong coffee. So, and we're going to pour our milk. You can use any kind of milk here. You can use cow's milk, almond milk, oat milk. You can use coconut. So just fill it like that. Leave space on the top so that you can add your whipped coffee. And we're going to scoop the coffee like this. Okay guys, so this is now our Dalgona coffee. So let's give this a try. So you want to stir it as you drink it so that the whipped coffee will mix. Oops, that's okay. Okay, let's give this a try. And I'm not a strong coffee drinker, but this is good. It's like a iced latte. I hope you guys will give it a try, and until next time, bye!